Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to migrate just the multiplayer code from the multiplayer Shootout asset to the third-person template. I created two projects. The first one was the multiplayer Shootout in version 4.24, and I created that from the multiplayer Shootout asset pack. With this asset pack you can use Unreal Engine version 4.7 to 4.24. I also created a third-person template in version 4.24, and I named it Multiplayer Shootout 2. I'm using Windows File Explorer to migrate assets from the Multiplayer Shootout content directory to the Multiplayer Shootout 2 content directory. Highlight the blueprint folder and copy and paste. And that's the only folder that you need to migrate. Create two maps by duplicating third-person example map. Name one lobby and duplicate again and name this level 1. Double click on level 1 and change the name of this to level 1 and save that, and open up the lobby map and change the name of this to lobby and save that. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes, change default game mode to My Game Mode, Editor Startup Map to Lobby, Game Default Map to Lobby, and Game Instance Class to My Game Instance. Double click the lobby map and go to Blueprints, open level Blueprints. I'll show you how to program these blueprints. Double click the level 1 map and go to Blueprints and open level Blueprints. I'll show you how to program this blueprint. Under Content Blueprints, double click My Game Instance, and on this blueprint I'm going to change this to Lobby, and on this blueprint we're going to change this to Level 1 and compile that. Double click My Game Mode. On this blueprint, disconnect this line because you won't need that. And under default pawn class, change this to third-person character and compile that and close, and double click My Player Controller. You can see that there's a warning here. I'll show you how to fix that. Go to edit project settings. Go to input, action mappings, and add. Name this open in-game menu. On keyboard, select escape, add another one, and on keyboard, select Q, or you can select any letter you want. I'm going to select Q. Now when you open up My Player Controller, compile this. Under Content, Blueprints, Widgets, double-click Ammo Widget and go to your graph. You can see there's an error here. We don't need the Ammo Widget blueprint, so I'm just going to disconnect this line here and compile and close this. Okay, to test this, we want to change this to 2 and go to Advanced Settings. And on Auto Connect to Server, uncheck that because we want to connect to the server manually for testing. And press play. And I'll show the other window here. I'll make it smaller. Okay, so in this window I'm going to use LAN mode and press play. Then I'll bring up the other window and I'll go to LAN mode and find games. And click this one and it's connected. And that's working correctly. Now I'll press Q to bring up the in-game menu and leave, and that worked correctly. So that's it, it's working correctly.